The Vision Tool Properties window displays the properties for Vision tools in the Vision project. You can access the Vision Tool Properties window under the Vision pull-down menu. When you select a Vision tool in the Vision Project Manager window, the properties for that tool will be displayed in this window. You can select the Vision tool in either the process listing or in the Vision tool listing. The Vision Tool Properties displays all the tool properties in a table format. When a property is selected, the name and description will be displayed at the bottom of the window. You can modify most properties by changing the text in the value column. At the top of the Vision Tool Properties window is a set of special function buttons. This will change based on what kind of tool is selected. For example, the Acquire Image control allows you to change the camera associated with the Vision tool. There is also an interactive acquisition properties display that places the camera in live display mode so you can adjust properties and see the effects. Lastly, there is a function that will allow you to save the current camera image into a file on the local computer. The Fiducial Locator tool has a different set of special functions. Like the Acquisition tool, it allows you to change the camera associated with the Vision tool. You can also set the Vision tool region of interest to the entire image area. Many tools have rectangular or circular region of interests. The currently selected Vision tool will display an interactive ROI marker in the Vision camera window. If you edit the tool properties in the grid display that correspond to the ROI, the overlay marker in the camera window is updated. Likewise, if you change the ROI in the Vision camera window using the mouse, the property display will be automatically updated. Most Vision tools support display properties for results. These can be modified and the Vision tool executed to see the effects. The user has the choice on how Vision results are rendered in the camera display.